AWESON Cloth Diaper Sprayer. Handheld bidet sprayer by AWESON is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. B01 Naval 1. This handheld bidet sprayer that includes a premium ABS bidet sprayer head, 1. 2 meters stainless steel hose, a plastic hook, and high-quality ABS wall bracket. 2. All components are tested to bring comfort and luxury to your bathroom hardware appeal. 3. Personal hygiene products at its finest. This low-cost personal bidet toilet attachment achieves freshness like never before with a simple addition to your existing plumbing to create a stylish toilet bidet combo. 4. It can also act as a cloth diaper sprayer, or toilet sprayer for rinsing and cleaning. 5. The AWESON handheld bidet for toilet offers gentle soft spray bidet or high jet spray bidet for varying purposes, and personal tastes. 6. The manufacturer provides all components with a standard 1-year warranty. AWESON handheld bidet sprayer is the best bidet to own. With no leaks, and no water pressure problems from this bidet spray, the manufacturer helps people enjoy cleanness and freshness every day from S&A. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Great hydraulic pressure control with water pressure control T-valve. Easy to install. Quality material and perfect chrome. Use as bidet sprayer, cloth diaper sprayer, floor cleaning and pet shower sprayer.